Hey everyone, how you're doing? I'm Lucy and in this video we will be learning how to fix Excel file not opening. Say this is a file that is not being opened. Try this first method first. Right click on the file and now go to its properties. Make sure you have your security here unblocked. So here, permissions from the system, you can just allow everyone, and click on apply and OK. Next, what you need to do is open Excel, and here in the options menu, which is located at the bottom left corner. So once your Excel option dialog box opens, click on Trust Center from the left menu and go to Trust Center settings. It will open a new dialog box again. Now you just need to click on Protected View and uncheck all of these trees. And that's it. I hope both of these steps will help you overcome your problem. And thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.